Most entrepreneurs are ignoring the easiest traffic play right now on TikTok because they think TikTok means videos. The best TikTok format right now for beginners is not video. It's not dances, not skits, not those fake AI influencers that are flooding everyone's feed right now. And definitely, it's not chasing some new trend that dies before you even get your first post started. It's this, TikTok carousels. They're simple swipe posts. Have you ever seen those posts where there's a combination of images and you just kind of swipe through them? Well, if you have the right tools and you know the strategy that I'm about to show you in this video, you can really cash in on them. And right now, they just might be the most underappreciated traffic machine on the entire TikTok platform. That is 4.4 million views and 2,000 app signups, and he spent $0 simply with this very unique format. And let's take a look at this. This is TikTok's own business case study showing how this strategy, this format, beat traditional videos. So when it comes to videos, this format that I'm about to show you, they give you more clicks, more engagement, more sales, more everything when you do this right. And so it's going to really pay off for you as you put it to use. Because while everyone else is trying to become an entertainer on TikTok, carousels, they let you win with something way easier. All you need is a hook, which is the big idea to grab someone's attention, a few slides made out of images, and you need to give them a reason to keep swiping through your slide deck. And there's one tiny behavior that gives a signal to TikTok to show your post to more people when you do this right. But here's the part that most people miss. Carousels don't just get views and virality, they can pull clicks. They can send real traffic. So while everyone else is dancing and being cute and silly and getting no traffic, use this technique that I'm about to show you and you will get the clicks. Now, they can turn a dead TikTok account into an actual audience engine. And if you're starting from zero and new to TikTok, this is probably the format that I'd personally master first in launching a brand new account, because you don't need a camera. You don't need editing skills. You don't need to be charismatic. You just need the right structure of these little image posts. That's it. And now the insane part, you don't even have to build them by hand anymore. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you something even crazier. There's now an AI platform that can build these carousels for you, write them, design them, format them for TikTok, and then actually post them for you. So instead of spending hours trying to make one video, you could launch an entire carousel strategy almost automatically. The bottleneck is not whether carousels work. The bottleneck here is making enough of them. And that's where this AI tool that I'll show you a little later, it gets absolutely ridiculous. But first, you need to understand why this boring little swipe post is quietly beating the content that everyone else is killing themselves to make. All right, so the first thing I would like to do is show you some examples of these, just so you can see just how simple they are. So what you're seeing on the screen is an example of this. And here's another one. And here's another one. Here's another. Pretty simple, right? But it's crazy. I mean, look at this one. Almost 3,000 likes, bunch of comments, bunch of shares, almost 10,000 hearts on this one, hundreds of shares. Look at that. 4,800 people have saved this one. Now, the thing here is typically what's happening for the psychology of a TikTok user. It's like almost a mindless scroll. And if you use TikTok or you've watched someone use it, you can see it. It turns into this weird, almost hypnotic state where you're like, next, next, next. And there's something magical about these, whether you call them carousels or you call them slide posts is another thing I've seen people call them. You have to stop, you look at it, and you have to engage with it. You got to now you stop swiping to the next video, you start swiping sideways to read and engage with the post. And it's just not my opinion. TikTok themselves, corporate TikTok, is acknowledging that this format is far more effective than some of the simpler ones, because it's easier to break someone out of that hypnotic, endless scrolling state and get them to pay attention. And you make these slideshows to be relevant to your audience. So think of it this way. Let's say in my example, I'm trying to reach entrepreneurs who have an idea in their mind and they want to start a business. their very next step is to build a website and launch their business, right? So I could make a set of carousels and I could say the 5 steps that anyone can use to launch their first business. And step 1, we'll start and tease them a little bit, and they'll have to swipe to see step 2, swipe to see step 3, and so forth. And also, you can do them with stunning visuals. You can do it with information, literally just text on the screen, like you saw in some of those examples that I was just showing. Many of them were just screenshots and examples. Some of them are like AI-generated people with text overlaid on top. They're very easy to make. And again, the platform I'm going to talk about in just a little bit will just do it for you automatically. So let's take a look back again, and I want to show you a couple of these case studies so you can see a little more about how powerful they truly can be. So this was the first one I talked about. And by the way, I have additional training, including links to all these resources and some notes and guides, and I'll be talking more about that in a minute if you'd like to get all of that for free. Sneak peek, if you go to billsbundle.com, that's billsbundle.com, get a copy of all of this for free. So here's somebody posting on Reddit explaining his success. 7 days, no ads. So for free, he got 4.4 million TikTok views, and he did not make a video. And here's the step-by-step process. And we'll be sharing this with you as well. Just go to billsbundle.com to sign up for that. Here is another Reddit post. 1,000 downloads of my mobile app from faceless TikTok carousels. And then he goes into the method. So I'm going to break this down into a written guide, and I'll give it to all of you for free. Again, just subscribe to billsbundle.com and grab your copy there for free. And then here's another one. This is another person posting on Reddit. Do you use TikTok carousels for marketing? And then here is after 2 months of posting 3 times a day, 2.2 million views, 63,000 likes. One carousel got 710,000 views. Pretty crazy. So this is a great way to launch into TikTok if you're anxious or nervous about having to be a funny personality or a dancing person or doing skits or all those stuff. You can skip all of that and use this strategy instead. And of course, back to this. This is from the official TikTok for Business page, talking about their big brands. And over again, TikTok is really pushing carousels. Now, of course, they want you to spend money on them with ads, but you don't have to. You can do carousels both in paid ads, but also for free. And now I want to show you this article as well. So this is not just my opinion. TikTok is pushing brands to post photos instead of videos. And this article goes on to explain some of the results from brands, big brands that are actually going out and doing these TikTok image carousel posts. So I'll link to all these resources and pull it all together into a guide for you. Again, just go to Bill's Bundle and you'll be able to get your copy of that. Now, I want to talk about how can you take advantage of this automatically? Well, that's where Buildy.ai comes in. And in Buildy is a brand new feature that we're launching literally today. It went live just moments before recording this video. Buildy will now create your TikTok carousels. You can turn on your microphone, have a nice chat by voice with Buildy, talk to him about your ideas, brainstorm out with him what you should put in your carousels, and he will make them for you. And not just make them, you can connect your TikTok account, and with one click, they're posted. So you don't even have to mess with TikTok in order to do this. It is awesome. So now you start up your TikTok account, you start posting carousels, and you should post a lot. I think that's the thing that people really don't understand about TikTok is it takes a high volume of posting. So post at least one of these a day. And initially, if your account is new, there are other steps that you're going to want to take to grow your account and do this at the same time. But if you've got a TikTok account that you've been using, for example, and maybe it's gone cold because it takes so much effort to try to make all of the video content, well, now you have a solution to do something far easier. All it takes is a Buildy.ai account, and you will be able to do this too. So go to Buildy.ai and claim your account. And by the way, when you grab my special bundle of free training, you're going to get free training from me. You're going to get access to our weekly newsletter about how to build and grow your business. You're going to get access to a 10-day free trial of Buildy.ai. And I'll give you the guide that will walk you through how to do this. So now I will pull up the screen and I'm going to show you how to make these carousel posts using Buildy. To get started, of course, you will need your Buildy.ai account. You go into that you have made in Buildy, you click Manage, you click Marketing and Ads, and then you will see TikTok is now available for you. You simply click the button here to connect it. So you click that and you can't see it on the screen. It's a pop-up that comes up and you authorize it and now it is connected, okay? So at that point, I by hand can come down here and I can make social media posts to TikTok. I can make them here by hand. But what I want to show you is how to speak them into existence. So to do that, we're going to bring Buildy, the voice version of Buildy, back online. Let me get my second microphone so I can talk to Buildy. And here we go. I heard that you can make TikTok carousel posts. Is that correct?
That's right. I can create TikTok photo carousels, anywhere from 5 to 9 slides, each with its own AI-generated image. They're saved as drafts for you to publish. What did you have in mind?
Yeah, I want to do one. Let's do a 5-slide TikTok carousel. But what ideas do you have for what can we make one? I'd like to get some ideas. You know, our target obviously is entrepreneurs and solopreneurs who are like early. They're thinking about starting a business or they're just starting one. So what could we make for them?
A few angles come to mind for that audience. One that tends to perform really well on TikTok is a step-by-step framework, something like the 5 things to do before you launch your business, because early-stage entrepreneurs are hungry for a checklist they can actually follow.
Let's just go right to it. I love that idea. Perfect. Let's do it.
Love it. Let's get that going now. The team is putting together 5 punchy myth-busting slides, each paired with a bright, scroll-stopping image built for TikTok's format. The copy will be short and confident, the kind of thing that makes someone stop mid-scroll because it hits on something they actually believed. It'll come through as a draft, so you can review everything before it goes anywhere. I'll let you know as soon as it's ready. While we wait, this kind of content pairs really well with an email sequence. If someone sees the TikTok and clicks through to Buildy, you'd want something waiting to pull them in further. Is that something you'd want to set up?
Yeah, it sounds awesome. So just to confirm, you're saying you can do all of my email marketing for me?
Yes, I can build out full, multi-step email sequences, so things like a welcome series, a nurture sequence, or an onboarding flow. I can also create broadcast drafts for one-off sends like announcements or promotions. The one thing you handle on your end is the actual sending and scheduling of broadcasts. That's done through the dashboard UI. Everything else, the copy, the structure, the AI personalization, I take care of.
So I just have to schedule it and hit send. That's it?
Exactly. You review it, schedule it, and hit send. Everything else is handled on my end.
All right, cool. Well, I'll talk to you about that another day. But for now, let's finish our TikTok carousel post and let me know as soon as it's ready, and we'll go quiet until then.
Sounds good. I'll flag you the moment it's done.
All right, cool. Buildy is always very helpful. He likes to guide you into your next steps. As you notice, he'll often, once he starts one step, he's going to recommend what you should often do next. And if you're not sure what you need to do to launch your business, like we had someone on the live show asking, how do I start a business and get it profitable in 30 days? Well, ask Buildy. He'll guide you through the process. He'll guide you through and even do market research. He'll go search the web and help you pick what niche market to go into, what products to sell. He'll build your website, set up your store, your shopping cart, sales funnels, email follow-up sequences, and then he starts to help you get traffic, including social media posts, ads, and everything you need to actually launch and have real people and get real sales in the door all in one platform, and all just by having a nice English conversation or Spanish or French, but a nice simple conversation with Buildy. He does speak in different languages. He is multilingual. You just have a conversation with him and he'll help you build all of those things. It's not like you have to have a dozen different tools that you have to figure out how to make them all work together. It's in one single platform. It handles your hosting, your email infrastructure. We're constantly pushing new features to the platform. And I snuck in a feature, well, the team did. Joe on our team actually worked hard on this, and he created an entire social media scheduling calendar where you can schedule out all of your posting across X, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and I think I'm missing some, but then there's more. So you can do all of that too by talking to Buildy, and he'll help you schedule them into the calendar.
TikTok carousel is ready as a draft. Each slide tackles one of those "I need this before I can start" myths, with bold coral, teal, and yellow imagery designed to stop the scroll. You can see it in the dashboard right now. One thing to note, you'll need your TikTok account connected under Manage and then Integrations before you can publish. Want to tackle anything else while you're here?
No, I think that's it for now. So you can see the post, the images in the center. You can see the text that goes along with your post, your caption, your hashtags that it chose for you. We can scroll through and see the different elements of the slide. And there's the 5th slide. All we have to do now, we can come up here, like I'll show you the schedule feature. I can come up here and say schedule. So let's say I want to post it in the future. And then I say confirm schedule. Boom, it's scheduled. So it's now in my social media calendar and ready to go. So by the way, I want to show you that really quickly. And so you can see here is my scheduled calendar. There is my post that we just did. Here's scheduled for this day here. I can click it and preview it again. I could cancel it. I can reschedule it. I can delete it. I could have also edited this had I wanted to. Here are other examples of other content that we have scheduled. So we can view that one. Here's another social media post we did. This one was for Facebook, actually. And by the way, carousels are not limited to TikTok. So you can do carousels, and they're very effective on Instagram, and you can do them on Facebook ads, and you can do them on LinkedIn. Has kind of a version of this where it's like almost like a patchwork of images that you can put on LinkedIn. But Buildly connects with all of those platforms. So now you can have social media create, help you come up with ideas, help you write all the copy, hashtags, everything you need. You just review it, make sure that you're happy with it. If you're not, you can change it, edit it, redo it, and then you schedule it into your social media calendar, and it's just taken care of. You don't have to think about this at all anymore. Pretty simple. So if you would like to make automated, AI-powered TikTok, Instagram, and LinkedIn carousels, you can now do that and schedule them and manage your whole social media schedule all inside Buildly.ai. Now, I do want to remind you that I'm going to offer a special bundle. It's called Bill's Bundle. So if you go to Bill's Bundle, grab it there, and you're going to get access to special traffic training from me, including the guide step-by-step on how to actually make these by hand, best practices, what kind of images and ideas work best for these carousel posts, along with other traffic strategies that we'll be releasing every single week. You're going to get our extra training on traffic. You're going to get access to our Ingeniosity weekly newsletter. We have more strategies about launching and growing businesses every single week. And you're going to get a 10-day free trial of Buildly so that you can get in. It's a credit card required free trial, so I'll let you know in advance. You'll get in, sign up, you put in your card, you won't be charged anything for 10 full days. So you can implement the strategy I just showed you, and you can see for yourself how powerful this is before you ever have to pay one single penny. So you can grab that whole bundle by going to billsbundle.com. And on that note, if you got value from this video, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button. And I would love to know, what other features would you like Buildly to have? We're building new features constantly. Tell me, what do you want Buildly to do for you when it comes to building and growing your business? Drop them in those comments down below. I would love to hear more. And of course, if you want more content like this, we do it every week. Often we're live here, very often doing live interactive training. Plus, we release video trainings every single week. So I advise, go over to YouTube and subscribe. You'll see down below this video, if you're on YouTube, you'll see a red subscribe button. Give it a tap. I would love to see you next time. And until then, bye for now.